Let's delve into each of the 3 doshas of Ayurveda and explore how to identify which one resonates with your unique constitution. Vata dosha. Vata is the dosha associated with movement, creativity, and change. Individuals dominant in Vata tend to have a slender body frame, thin skin, and may experience variability in their appetite and digestion. To identify if Vata is your dominant dosha, you may observe the following traits: a light and thin body structure, a tendency towards coldness, dry or rough skin, irregular digestion or appetite, active and creative mind, and a preference for movement and change. They are often energetic, enthusiastic, and imaginative. However, imbalances in Vata can lead to anxiety, dryness, and irregularity. Pitta dosha. Pitta represents the dosha associated with metabolism, digestion, and transformation. Pitta-dominant individuals often have a moderate body build with well-defined musculature. They tend to have warm skin and a strong metabolism. Pitta types are driven, focused, and passionate, but can be prone to irritability and excessive heat in the body. To determine if Pitta is your dominant dosha, observe if you have the following characteristics: a medium build with good musculature, warm and rosy complexion, strong appetite and digestion, sharp intellect and ambition, a preference for challenges and competition, and a tendency towards irritability or anger when out of balance. Kapha dosha. Kapha is the dosha associated with structure, stability, and nurturing. Kapha-dominant individuals often have a sturdy and well-rounded body shape, with smooth and moist skin. They tend to have a slower metabolism and steady energy levels. Kapha types are calm, compassionate, and grounded, but can experience imbalances leading to sluggishness and weight gain. To identify if Kapha is your dominant dosha, look for the following characteristics: a solid and well-built physique, smooth and oily skin, a steady and strong appetite, a calm and nurturing disposition, an ability to withstand physical stress, a preference for routine and stability, and a tendency towards lethargy or stagnation when imbalanced. Remember that it's common to have a combination of 2 doshas in varying degrees. In Ayurveda, we refer to these as dual dosha or tri-dosha constitutions. The goal is to identify your dominant dosha, as this knowledge forms the foundation for creating a personalized approach to diet, lifestyle, and overall well-being.